I want you to go and Google the importance of putting lime in the soil. You first Google what is soil pH. When you learn about soil pH, and there's acidic and there's alkalinic. So the scale is 1 to 14. So I want you to come up with an answer of why we lime our soil. When your soil is acidic, when it's on extreme minus and extreme plus, when you put fertilizer, fertilizer does not dissolve into soil solution for it to be taken by the plants. So what are you doing? You're wasting your fertilizer. So correcting your pH, it improves the efficient use of your fertilizer and the development of the roots and the uptake of the fertilizers, and your crop grows to give you the expected yield, right? You have seen he's put lime, now he's putting fertilizer. And the amount of fertilizer, again, have your soils tested so that you are told the type of fertilizer to put and the amount of fertilizer. Why the type of fertilizer is because in the soil there are lots of nutrients, lots of minerals and all that. So the results will tell you what is too much and what is less, and to address that you are told the type of fertilizer to put so that your nutrients are balanced.